There's Sunny right there. Did we not get, I don't know if I got her, but here, let's get her. There's Sunny girl. I don't know if I got her already. There's Sunny on the left, next to Danny. She's tired. Don't get comfortable because we're going downstairs to get in bed. That's Sunny jumping in the box. You guys love that box, huh? Whoops.